Okay. So today, beta, as we have already discussed about the concept volume, okay, we are going to solve the questions related to the volume. But before that, we are going to write down the formulas related to the volume. Okay. So volume means, Tushar, are you ready? Yes,
Yes,
Tushar.
ma'am. I am ready.
So can you
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what is the meaning of volume?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, volume means space occupied by an object.
Very good. Space occupied. Okay. Space occupied. Space occupied by an object. Okay. Space occupied by an object. Simply we can write down this definition. Okay. So here we are discussing about the volume related to the cube and volume related to the cuboid. So here the first one is volume of cube. Beta, as we already know that all the dimensions of the cubes are definitely same. Yes or no?
Yes,
All the edges are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Tushar, all the edges are equal. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's why we can write down the formula as side multiply by side multiply by side.
Side.
It is clear. This is the formula
Yes,
for. This is the formula for cube. Volume of the cube. Okay, we must learn this particular formula. Why we have taken side multiply side? Because all the sides, or we can say the edges of the cubes are exactly same. That's why we are going to multiply the side 3 times. Okay, clear? Okay,
Yes,
here the second one is volume of. Second one is volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Okay. But in the case of cuboid, the length and the breadth and the heights are different. So that's why we are going to take each and every dimension separately. L-E-N-G-T-H, length. First one is length. Then we are going to multiply it by breadth. B-R-E-A-D-T-H, breadth. And then we are going to take the height. H-E-I-G-H-T, height. Okay. This is the formula for volume of the cube. It is clear? It is clear? So here, the first one is volume of cube. That is, can you repeat the same? Tushar, can you repeat the same?
Volume of cube equal to side into side into side.
Exactly. And the volume of the cuboid? Yes.
Cuboid. Volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height.
Very good. Okay, beta. Pratik, you are not listening to ma'am. You are talking to someone else. Pratik Bharadwaj. Sit properly and concentrate towards the concept. Okay, so Tushar, now you can mute. Tushar, you can mute. This time Ashmita will give me the answer. Ashmita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay, beta, very good. So here's the volume of the cube is side multiplied by side multiplied by side, and similarly the volume of the cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And the same formulas we are going to use in our questions. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now ma'am is going to take one question from your book. आपकी book से ma'am एक question ले रहे हैं, ठीक है? And suppose in the question length is 1 second. Ma'am is going to take one example. Suppose the length is 9 centimeter, or we can say here side of the edge, or we can say the edge of this cube 9 centimeter. That is given in your book. Okay, beta, 9 centimeter. Edge of a cube is 9 centimeter, and we have to find out its volume. We have to find out its volume. Okay, so how we are going to find it out? G. First of all, we are going to write down the formula, and before writing that, we must write down it as we know. As we know, this is the exact way to write down the formula. As we know, what we know, that the volume of what?
Ma'am, cube.
Cube. Volume of cube is equal to, simply we can write in with the help of S letter. Okay, S multiply by S multiply by S. So you can write down side multiply by side multiply by side. In the simple terms, you can write it as S into S into S. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So here edge is
Ma'am, 9 centimeter.
9 centimeter. Okay, so 9 centimeter multiply by 9 centimeter and similarly 9 centimeter. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we are going to multiply 9 by 9 by 9, so what will be our answer? Can you tell me? After multiplying,
Ma'am, 89.
not 89, not 89. When you are going to multiply, you will check that your answer will be 729. Okay, you are going to check it yourself. And one more important thing is this, you must take care while writing down the units, as we have done in the case of perimeter. In the case of perimeter, we have written down the unit as it is. Unit as it is. Yes or no? Suppose centimeter is there, so we have written down centimeter. Okay, meter is there, so we have written down meter. As it is, unit will be there. But in case of area, we have written down the unit as, yes, square unit. Yes or no?
Square unit.
Or you forget? G.
No, ma'am.
So unit will be square unit. Okay. For example, suppose centimeter is there, so you have written down square centimeter. Okay. Yes or no? In the case of area, we always write down the answer in square unit. Similarly, in case of volume, we are going to write down the unit as cubes. In the short, we are going to write down CU, cubic unit. What?
Unit.
Cubic unit, because 3 times we are going to multiply the units, like centimeter, multiply centimeter, multiply centimeter. 3 times we have taken units. So that's why we are going to write down the answer in, cubic centimeter.
Cubic centimeter.
Okay, cubic centimeter. I hope this concept is clear.
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
We always write down the answer in cubic unit. जो भी unit होगा उसके साथ cube जरूर लगाएंगे आप. Okay, always remember. Vedant Agnihotri, beta, leave the class. If you don't want to take the class, you can leave the class, Vedant, because ma'am is going to put your absent mark because your camera is not on. Okay, be particular. Okay, so here this time Vedant will give me the answer. Vedant, are you ready? Ashmita, you can mute, beta.
Ma'am, yes.
Vedant Agnihotri, are you ready?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, so one more question ma'am is going to take from your book. Okay, and this time we are going to take the question related to cuboid. Okay, suppose question number 5. Can you read the question number 5 from 5D exercise? Do you have book right now? Ji.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, quickly read. Yes.
A room is 4 meters long, 3 meters broad, and a 9 meters high. Find its volume.
Yes. So what is given here? Length is given of the room, breadth is given, and height is given. And one more important thing is this, that the shape of the room is already given, that is cuboid shape. Okay. So that's why we are going to put the, which formula? Can you tell me which formula we are going to put here? Yes. To find out the volume. Yes.
Ma'am, find out the volume. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height.
Very good. Very good. So first of all, you are going to tell me what is the length here? What is the length?
Ma'am, length is the 3.
Length is 4 meter. Read it carefully. Length is?
Ma'am, 4.
4 meter. Okay. The breadth is?
Ma'am, 3.
3 meter. Beta, you are going to write down the units also. So that's why you have to tell me the unit. 3 meter. And height is?
Ma'am, 9 meters.
Height is 9 meter. Okay. Okay, all the three things are given to you. Now we can put the formula. Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Okay, and
Yes.
before writing down the formula, we can write it as we know. So you can write it like this, as we know, and the formula. What is the formula here? Quickly tell me the formula.
ma'am, length multiplied by height.
Very good, very good. So here, volume of the room. Room का volume आप कैसे लिखेंगे? Length multiply by breadth multiply by height. Okay. Yes, we are going to multiply all these dimensions. Dimensions को हम लोग multiply करने वाले हैं. Okay. And what is the length over here? Yes.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am,
4
4 meters.
multiply by breadth. What is the breadth?
Ma'am, 3.
3. And what is the height?
Ma'am, 9.
9. Okay. And we are going to multiply all these different dimensions. Okay. But we have to write down the units also. And here the unit is meter. Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes.
4 meter, 3 meter, and 9 meter. Okay. Now, when we are going to multiply all these units, so what will be the answer? G. 4 multiplied by 3, you will get 12, and 12 multiplied by 9, you will get 108. Okay, beta. But what about the units? What about the unit? Unit will be Vedant.
Ma'am, meter.
Not only meter. I have just explained you how we are going to write down the units of the volume in case of volume only. Yes.
108 meter.
108 meter, not only meter, because 3 times we are multiplied meters here. So that's why we are going to write what? In the previous question also, you can check from there. Yes, Vedant?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, kilometer.
Are how you can make the meter into kilometer? How? Beta, listen it very carefully. Once again, ma'am is going to repeat. In the simple perimeters case, you are going to write down the unit as it is. Okay. Like meter will be meter. Kilometer will be kilometer. Okay. But in case of area, you are going to write down the area in square unit. Means square centimeter, square kilometer, square meter. Okay. But in case of volume, we are going to write down the answer in cubic unit. Yes, repeat Vedant. In cubic unit. Cubic unit. We are going to write down here cube. Okay. And unit here is?
Meter.
Meter. So we are going to write down the answer as cubic meter. It is clear? It is clear? Don't forget to write down the cubic word over here. Otherwise, you will have half marks deducted. Okay, beta. So now ma'am is going to take few word problems also. Okay. So one by one, beta, you all can ask your queries related to this particular concept. Okay. You all can ask your queries one by one.